This is gonna be awesome!
Me in the bleachers. I'm made of spice and sugar. And add a little glitter. And you get.
A game changer, playmaker, take the ball, she'll see it.
Hey, what's up, guys? Watch me applying, I think, substance that's not going to allow my face, react to the makeup. So yeah, that's like layer, allowing it to dry, then applying another substance, a whitish substance. Yeah, rub it, blend it to receive the makeup. Now that's me applying the layer. As you can see, both sides of my cheek and my forehead, and that's me blending it. Blending. Why am I saying me? That's how blending it. Blending. Applying another foundation on the face. Yeah, that's me dapping it up so it can blend in my skin color. Yeah, dapping it up. Dap. Yeah. Then another layer, the corner of the eyes, to give it that mysterious cat look. Yeah, as you can see. Then I'm going to dab it up a bit. Yeah, that's me dapping it, dapping to blend it with the skin color, skin tone, or whatever. Still dapping. I don't know how long this process used to take, but I surely don't think I have the patience for it. But yeah, we watch, we don't judge. And yeah, that's me, that's her dapping it up, like I said, to give that mysterious cat look. Press the corner of the eyes. That's me using the brush to spread the makeup, and then make sure you're using the fan so you don't feel, that's vibing, feeling myself. And make sure you're using the fan so you don't mess your face up with too much heat. And yeah, using the makeup kit, dapping it. Yeah, dab. You can see. Using the makeup brush to just rub it. This one not too much like this, but yeah, that's me showing you guys the makeup I'm about to apply it now. Yeah, as you can see, the touch, just touching the side. Yeah, don't know what that is, but yeah, there you go. That's me applying it. Yeah, dabbing it, the same area. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you are still with me, kindly follow my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. Thank you. And yeah, we're back in the video. Yeah, that's me vibing. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, so using the brush now to blend it in. Using the brush to blend it in. Brush, 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 blend it in. Blend, 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 blend. Yeah. Blend out the eyebrow thing to give it a shiny look. I'm using the brush to brush it up. Brush is the touching the corner, using the eye pencil now to shade it and pop out the eyebrows. So using the brush to paint the same eyebrow, she just tried brushing up. Yeah. Brush, brush, brush is the brush to dab it up. Still using the brush to blend it so it doesn't look way too heavy in the face, and also remember the skin tone and around the neck as well. Don't forget that, guys. Still dapping up. You need to make sure the makeup, you don't rush it. Just understand it takes the process. Use the brush to wipe any extra makeup in the face that is not letting it blend with the rest of it. So yeah. Now using the eyeliner or whatever it is. Yeah, that's a kit, guys. It has a eyeliner. Give the eyeshadow. And spraying it. Spray. Trying to cover the eyes so it doesn't. Then I'm using the fan to blow dry, so it doesn't mess up the F. Using the pencil to shade the lip and the eyebrush or the face. So yeah, brushing the that's me vibing. Get that. So yeah, can't wait for the makeup to be done. Looking up pink and shit. Yeah, applying the loose gloss as well, like. So yeah, applying the gel in the lip as well to make it shiny and glossy. Almost done, guys. Thanks for watching. Just few steps remaining, but got me feeling like, whoa, oh my god, looking up pang in it, like thank you, oh my god, I want to scream. What you guys think? What do you think? Is it a yay or a nah? See that model look? It's $1 million look right there. If you have the money, come and pay for it. Like, fling my hair like to the side, like, oh yeah, gotcha. Feeling myself like, oh my god, Tiger girl. And that's the end of the video. It's a wrap. Thank you guys. We out.